going on an adventure, guys. Blake had a marketplace find. We are flying out to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania to go look at a truck. And I don't know, I'm nervous. I don't like last minute trips. I'm like, I have to like mentally prepare. But if we like it, we're gonna drive it back. If we don't, we're just gonna fly home. I don't wanna leave the babies, but it'll be good. It's, what day is it? Wednesday?
Wednesday.
We're hoping to be
October 30th.
We're hoping to be back.
2024.
We're hoping to be back before the weekend, but we're gonna like maybe not rush, but we usually rush, so we'll see. We're about to board our plane. I hate this part.
Position 23.
It makes me the most nervous ever. Here we go. It's not a full flight, so hopefully, hopefully no one sits by us.
Shit. You got shit? No, I will. Oops.
Was that real?
No.
We landed, we're in Pennsylvania, and we got the Uber is a Toyota something van. We got a van. I got an XL one. I was wanting to get a Lux, but that was not available.
Holy.
Wow. That wasn't available, so we are gonna Uber 30 minutes to where the truck is. It's freezing here. We're not even outside yet, and I'm cold. And it said it wasn't gonna be cold when I checked the weather, but whatever. So we're trying to find the Uber place. He's gonna be here in 6 minutes.
Oh, but you made it sound like he was here.
And no, he's not here. He was like above us on the circling thing. I'm just proud of us because we're so brave. We travel by ourselves to new places. Though, door 2, this is where it's supposed to be. So we're here. So here it is. It is a 2006 Peterbilt 379 with a 6,000 gallon tanker on the back, and I'm loving this. I didn't know. Look at the fenders. I love it so much. We haven't really looked at it yet, so I still don't know if we're gonna get it. But from just looking at it, from what I've seen, we're gonna get it. What's your first impression?
Well, you know, you see you got that bando. AM radio.
The AM radio.
I mean, if we're talking about jersey retirement, he's right up there with others.
I don't know. It looks like it, huh? I ain't never seen no tires like that.
See right here, this is the axle. Locking the brake.
Just from like looking at it, I like it.
Yeah.
But
Pretty clean for being a northern truck.
yeah.
Oh, even
Holy.
comes with a shit box of stuff. That's what I like to see.
Junk.
Shit in there.
I didn't know it had this on the fenders.
Got some corn on there.
Come on, baby. Let's see. The important part. Oh, there it is.
Only 7-inch wide belt on it?
Yeah. Little exhaust leak or what?
Oh, what does? Smells lovely.
Does it stink?
Smells like a cloth seat Peterbilt.
All right, start her up. think? Yeah. Better than Big Blue. Okay. Here's the inside. It's pretty nice and clean considering it's a farm truck. Smells like sweaty old man. If we get it, it is going to be a long 20-hour drive home. Like,
We buy new, we do cap tires twice because I don't know if it's like it down getting farm roads. Have nails everywhere. Yeah, I can say they're all. Yeah, these ones should be new. They're all Firestone.
22 votes so far, 59% you say you traded for a World Series.
That fuel tank too, it's only a year old. We did put one on it. Underneath the strap, there was
That's the same thing mine has. It started leaking.
yeah, so we put a new tank.
See, mine has another axle.
this is so cool. I'm so excited.
So, and then this thing.
Oh, it takes their poop. Look at that.
So these guys are pretty yeah, we got all
Hi, guys. So they're just like waiting their turn in there? They're waiting their turns to get milked, guys. How cute. Can I touch you? Hello. Hi. Hi. Ah! Ah! Well, that might have been a bust. I don't know. So we came to eat, and you'll never guess who we're coming to eat with. I wanted to be on the way home right now, getting like truck stop nachos, you know?
But instead, we're eating rolls.
Are you sad?
A little bit.
I'm sad. I want the tank really bad. The truck was like, not it. We know we're up north, but they had said that they did like work on the frame and all kinds of stuff like that, so I don't know, but it just wasn't what we thought at all. So I'm disappointed now. Shopping, baby. Shopping. We didn't even really need a truck. It just popped up and it was like something we could use, so we were gonna get it. I don't want him to have to drive something that he doesn't like. And I could tell on his face that he didn't like it, so it's just a flight. We'll be home.
No, I didn't want to drive it home 20 hours.
Yeah, that's a long way, and those seats were horrible.
There was no foam in the ass of the driver's seat.
No, and the one on the passenger side was like the kind that you like sit like this, and like your whole body is in the windshield, and you feel like if you turn too hard to the right, you're gonna fall out of the window. That kind of seat. We are staying in the actual airport, so we just have to like walk down this hallway and go to our terminal. We talked last night about that truck, and we're gonna offer him some money for it. Really far off from what he is asking for it, so we'll see what he says. He's probably gonna turn it down, but the plan is if he takes our offer, we'll just have somebody haul the truck down back to us. We're gonna fly home right now regardless, either way. If he takes that, we're gonna get it hauled back, and then we are going to work on the transmission. We are going to probably have to change the front fenders on it. It's gonna need all new tires because it has recaps, and the like super singles in the back, we're gonna put dual rears and everything. 2 new seats, stacks, needs a bumper, just like random stuff. We have to change like the carrier bearing. We're gonna strip take all the wheels and tires off and like fix the frame because it doesn't look that great. So if he takes the offer, we kind of have a new project truck, kind of. We're not gonna make it like little homie or Looney Tune or anything, because we're gonna be working it every day, like going through brush and stuff, but it's just not really up to our quality. So that's what we're doing. I don't know, like I said, if he's gonna take the offer. Hopefully he does, but if not, we're not really losing anything because it's really not that great. If anything good came out of this trip, we were in the car last night on the way to that guy's house to look at it, and Blake was like, I think Lindsay Burkowski lives in PA. And I was like, I have no idea. So I messaged her, and she literally lives in the town that we were looking at the truck. And yeah, so we met up with her last night. We went and ate at Texas Roadhouse. We met her boyfriend. He's so nice. And she was nice enough to bring us back to our hotel at the airport, which was like 30 something minutes away. And poor Blake, his stomach hurt so bad. He was like car sick from the first Uber drive that was 35 minutes out there. You know how that goes. So she was nice enough to bring us back. And yeah, so I can't wait to see her again. So if anything good came out of this trip, it was that. And if we don't get the truck, we don't get the truck. Whatever. Blake's mom always updates us with pictures of the babies. Look at Lola. She's so sweet. We booked our flight so late, and we fly Southwest, so they don't like assigned seats, and I was so nervous that I wasn't going to sit next to Blake. I can't do that. I cannot fly and sit with strangers. That stresses me out. We just landed, and Blake's gonna kick my ass if I trip over the bag one more time. But we are back home. My camera's so dirty all the time. Sorry for the low quality. But we have all our bags, so where are we? I don't know. Oh, there's that weird step thing. So we just have to find, I don't think we've ever got dropped off here. All right, so we know where we're going now. Blake made the guy
Have a good one, man.
the offer. Bye. Blake made the guy the offer, and he counter offered. So Blake's trying to decide if he thinks it's worth it. And we talked to Jacob Bonham, Hatermade, and those guys would be the ones hauling it back.
Maybe.
So maybe we'll see. I don't know. I'm kind of excited now because if we can get it for this price, it'll be worth it, and it'll be a really good deal. And we'll have something else to work on. Aren't you so happy? Shop's not even done yet, and we have 4 projects.
Tell you.
We finally got our truck back.
Oh my God.
When we landed, we got an automatic text that the truck was ready, and they tried to charge us $1,000. And I went in there and raised hell for once in my life. And we walked out of there not paying anything because it's under warranty. It's a 24. They tried to say that it made it harder to change the exhaust because the truck was lifted.
You know why we didn't have to pay?
Cool story.
Because I told them that they never called us back and told us anything, and
Yeah, I was like, we could have done this ourselves. We just brought it up here because it was under warranty, and then you didn't call me and tell me that you were going to be charging me $1,000 after you knew the truck was lifted, and no, nothing.
and the service manager was like, well, that's all I need to hear because my guys don't call people. Now
And don't do their job. So yeah,
Service manager, pristine guy.
pretty cool
Recommend
dude.
that guy.
Yeah, so we got our truck back. We are almost home. It's Halloween, and we're probably not gonna do anything.
I'm gonna dress up in my cock suit.
We had plans to go like hang out with our friends and their children, but I don't think we're gonna do that. So yeah,
Well, we're on
we made
the
it back.
road.
Blake's,
I think I'm buying that water truck.
yeah, Blake's trying to figure out getting it hauled back. He's looking at all his options, but I think they agreed on a price that both of them feel comfortable with. And yeah, so
We would have bought it while we were up there, but I just, I really don't have the old 20 hours under the belt anymore.
it's not even that. The seats were awful.
horrible.
Like we would have had to stop somewhere along the way and get new seats. Like they were horrible.
Like, I like the truck and I like the tank. I just didn't like that it was 24 hours from home.
I like the tank the most. The truck will look nice once we get it like nice, but I just wasn't gonna pay what that guy wanted for it looking
Squeeze your chi-chi.
for it looking the way that it did. So
And the guy, honestly,
so nice.
real nice guy.
Didn't try and hide anything. Like
No. And he
Just
was
real
willing to come
honest.
down on the price.
yeah, cool dude. It just for what he was asking, in my opinion, it wasn't worth that, but they talked about it and I think they agreed. And as long as we can figure out how to get it down here, we have our feelers out with some people. So it should be down next week sometime. So yeah, we're like 5 minutes from home. This was my vlog.
Check us out.
This is
Go
what happened.
like, subscribe, and follow.
Thanks, guys.